Bleeding gums need to be treated with immediate effect in order to prevent blood loss or severity. Your oral health is as important as mental health or physical health. However, maintaining oral health is not as easy as it seems to be. If you brush properly or floss your teeth, then it might actually affect the underlying problems, especially your gums. Bleeding from the gums is actually a very serious issue that could trigger a number of problems. Gum bleeding can be caused because of vigorous brushing, injury, pregnancy, or inflammation in the gums. This condition is a sign of periodontal disease that actually makes for plaque removal. Today we will talk about home remedies that could stop bleeding gums. Oral hygiene. Bleeding gums are actually a sign of poor dental hygiene. In most conditions, there is no evident need of consulting a dentist. However, if it happens more than twice continuously, then you must pay him a visit. Gums can become inflamed and thus they bleed when there is an excess buildup of plaque. If you do not brush or floss properly, then there are high chances that you can have bleeding gums. Good oral hygiene is especially important for pregnant women due to fluctuations in the pregnancy period. Rinse your mouth with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the common oral disinfectants that could be used to stop bleeding gums. This also helps to prevent swelling, receding gums, etc. Hydrogen peroxide mouthwash is used effectively in order to provide a solution to gingivitis. This solution aids in whitening the teeth and could provide relief from inflammation in the gums that cause bleeding. Do not smoke. Smoking is injurious to health. How many times have you heard it? A lot, right? Therefore it is better to leave or quit smoking so that it reduces the risk of getting lung cancer, heart diseases, stroke, and smoking. These conditions are linked to a severe gum infection that might trigger bleeding in most cases. Smoking can lower the immune system of the body and can make you fight off plaque bacteria. Quit smoking in order to heal the gums and stop this dental problem. Stress. There is a study that suggests that there is a link between periodontal disease and emotional stress. According to different research that has been done, stress is also linked to a greater impact on the immune system. There should be a way that influences immunity to fight gum infections. However, more studies and research is needed to confirm this statement. Vitamin C intake. Eating foods rich in vitamin C can actually strengthen your immune system and can help you fight off the gum infections that occur in the bleeding gums. Not getting enough vitamin C could actually make the condition of your gums worse. This can even lead to vitamin C deficiency and thus bleeding. Some good oral habits could prevent gums. Food that is rich in vitamin C can reduce bleeding gums. Here are some solutions for you. Carrots, oranges, sweet potatoes, red peppers. Apply cold compress. Cold compress is very effective in reducing the factors related to bleeding gums. If the gums bleed because of the trauma or an injury. Gum diseases are also an important part of the gum tissue. Cold compress is often applied to the gum line, which could be helpful in reducing swelling as well as restricting the blood flow in the body. Applying an ice pack or a cold cloth to the gum for around 20 minutes could be beneficial for your gum health.